Breathe. Listen. Watch. Feel the nature. You are in Arlanza. Delve into the wine route to experience countless Castilian landscapes and discover places where tradition and respect for the land and its treasures prevail. Places that help to understand the relationship of Castile's people with their environment. Places that show us the root of Castilla and the root of our ancestors in their land. As the backbone of the region, the Arlanza River has shaped the land for hundreds of years along its course, where erosion and time have created pure landscapes of bent rock and rough cut. Natural frames that seem taken from the most spectacular settings. Live the infinity of Castilian landscapes. Live the Arlanza Wine Route.